Supreme Court of Pakistan ruled on Tuesday that the Election Commission of Pakistan's decision to postpone polls to the Punjab Assembly till October 8 was unconstitutional and fixed May 14 as the date for polls in the province. The reserve verdict was issued today by a three-member bench comprising Chief Justice of Pakistan, Umar Ata Bandial, Justice Munib Akhtar and Justice Ejazul Ahsan. The ECP had on March 22 announced that the elections in Punjab would be held on October 8. The date was earlier set on April 30 in consultation with the President. The court noted that during the course of hearings, the ECP had categorically stated that if it was provided with necessary aid and assistance, then the Commission would be able to organize and conduct the general elections to the Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa assemblies. Keeping this in view, the court directed the federal government to release election funds worth Rs 21 billion to the ECP by April 10 for elections to the assemblies of Punjab and KP. Shortly after the verdict was announced by the Supreme Court of Pakistan, Federal Law Minister Azam Nazir Tarar said the Supreme Court should have made a decision with collective wisdom and the full court should have heard the case. On the other hand, PMLN chief organizer Maryam Nawaz rejected the verdict. She alleged that the order was a part of the conspiracy through which the Punjab government was being given to PTI chairman Imran Khan in a plate. Maryam claiming that the one-man show in the SC had been challenged from inside the apex court. She called on the parliament to stop this facilitation through constitutional and legal powers. The Supreme Court of Pakistan has disposed of the suo motu case pertaining to the 2018 regulations of the Pakistan Medical and Dental Council that suggested an award of 20 additional marks to the candidates for memorizing the Holy Quran by heart to get MBBS or BDS degrees. On March 29, a three-member bench headed by Justice Qazi Faiz Isa in a majority verdict of 2-1 had ruled that the Chief Justice of Pakistan did not have the powers to make special benches or decide its members and called for the postponement of suo motu matters. On March 31, a circular was issued by the Supreme Court Registrar's Office followed by a one-page court order disregarding the directive and adding that the bench had travelled beyond the case before it, which had prompted Justice Isa to pen a scathing letter to the registrar. Earlier today, a six-member larger bench headed by Justice Ejazul Ahsan was constituted to hear the case at 2 p.m. During the hearing, which lasted a total of 5 minutes, the PMDC Council told the court that additional 20 marks were awarded to students for memorizing the Holy Quran up until 2018. However, new rules were formulated in 2021 and the process of awarding additional marks was brought to an end. Subsequently, the court disposed of the case on account of it being ineffective. The State Bank of Pakistan has decided to hike the policy rate by 100 basis points to 21%, its highest ever level, according to a press release issued on Tuesday. The announcement came after a meeting of the bank's Monetary Policy Committee. The committee said that it viewed today's decision as an important step towards anchoring inflation expectation around the medium-term target, which is critical for achieving the objective of price stability. The committee noted that incoming data on economic activity continue to reflect a broad-based slowdown.